So let us understand some of the famous types of narcissists, especially the three most famous types of narcissist through the characters of Games of Thrones. So we're starting with the malignant narcissist. Now this is the narcissist who will always pretend that they care for you, they admire you, they look out for you, they want the best for you, but they are secretly manipulating you. They want nothing else but to hurt you in their own sadistic ways, but they will never let you know that they are the ones who are causing all this pain to you. So in my opinion, the best candidate for this type of narcissism would be Littlefingers, right? So he fits perfectly in this category according to me. Now second comes the covert narcissist. Now covert narcissism in my opinion is the most famous type of narcissism among all other types, because in this category the person who is a narcissist, they will never let anybody see their true side, what they actually are from inside, but they will always show others that they are so caring, they are so nice to everybody. Like they will show this side to everybody, but deep down, if we talk about their true side, they want what they want. Like they will not compromise that much. If things are not going according to the way they have requested, they are going to make your life hell. So in this category, according to me, there are two candidates. Now the first one would be Catelyn Stark. In this, it might be a possibility, many of you might not agree with me. Now second one would be Daenerys. Now she was also the same kind of an individual who was always caring, but if she did not get what she wanted, she will show her ruthless side as well. Not because she was a queen, but because she was a covert narcissist. Now the third category would be the overt narcissism, or somebody who is an overt narcissist. Now they will not shy away from letting other people know that they are arrogant, they are picky. They will let you know that they are above you and you are beneath them. Now in this category, the best example is Joffrey Baratheon. Now Joffrey, he is the son of Cersei and you know who else. So he is the one who fits perfectly in this category. Now if there is any other character in this series you want to put into these three labels, do let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.